Paano naman pag source-free RL circuit? Plus, pag source-free RL circuit, tandaan natin ang initial energy that is equal to 1 half Li squared. So, ang pinagkaiba niya sa source-free RC, no? 1 half CV squared. Ito naman, in terms of current, no? Initial current I sub 0, I naught, no? Square. Times yung inductance L. Okay? So, yung derivation ko dito, so, katulad lang din yung pag-derive natin dun class sa, series RL, no? Wala lang source. Okay? Wala lang source. Okay? So, bibigay ko na sa inyo yung part na yan. Ang kailangan natin dito is yung time constant. Okay na tayo dyan. Kapag time constant ng source ng RL, that is L over R. Huwag niyong babaligtarin yan, ha? L over R. Okay? And then, ito. Ito ang formula pagdating sa source-free RL circuit. Okay? Pag source-free RL circuit, yung current ang sinosolve natin. Current ng ano? Current yan ng inductor. Ito yon. Current yan ng inductor. Okay? That is, initial current times e to the negative t over tau. Okay? So, it resembles to yung voltage across the capacitor. Pinagkaiba niya lang dun sa initial voltage. Okay? Ganun pa rin, e to the negative t over tau. Of course, magkaiba sila ng formula ng tau. Sa kanya ay L over R. Okay? And yung pag kinuha naman yung formula ng power, ganun pa rin, no? Joule's law to. I times B sub R. Okay? So, initial current squared R e to the negative 2t over tau. Okay? So, yun. Ito yung formula ng initial energy. Okay? So, natural response. So, yung current response ng RL circuit, ang tatandaan natin kapag nag-solve tayo ng source-free RL circuit ay ito. Initial current ay ang kailangan natin, tsaka time constant tau. Kasi nga, I of t is equal to I naught e to the negative t over tau. Eh yung tau, syempre, pag nag-solve tayo niyan, kailangan ng equivalent resistance or yung RTH, no? RTH times yung wait. L over R yan. So, ganun pa rin, no? Kailangan ng RTH. Pero ang formula is L over R. Okay? Yung R is a combination of resistances. Okay? So, solve tayo na ito, class. Okay? So, tapusin natin tong source-free RL. So, bago tayo mag-break, ha? Okay? So, may sunod pa. So, given the switch in the circuit of figure below has been closed for a long time. Palagi naman ganon, no? Okay? So, at t equals 0, the switch is opened. Calculate I of t for t greater than 0. Okay? So, again, paano mo malalaman na ang given ay source-free? O, take note, ha? Pag ganito yung arrow dito sa switch, ibig sabihin, initially, close yan. O, ibig sabihin, nasusuplayan niya yung inductor. Okay? Nasusuplayan yan yung inductor, no? So, nasusuplayan niya to. Okay? Ngayon, at t equals 0, bibitawan niya na yung, ano na yan, yung circuit na yan. So, ibig sabihin, magdedepende na lang yung supply dun sa energy stored ng inductor. Ayun, dinisconnect na. Okay? Kaya siya source-free, no? Okay, so siyempre, pag nag-solve tayo ng I of t, di ba? Pag nag-solve tayo ng I of t, kailangan natin ng current ng ng inductor. Ng initial current e to the negative t over yung tau. Okay? Kailangan natin ng initial current, no? Initial current. Okay? So pag nag-solve tayo ng initial current, I-draw ko muna yung circuit, no? That is, at t less than 0, switch is closed. Okay? At t less than 0, switch is closed. Okay? Ang goal natin dito, initial current. Okay? So, class, tandaan nyo, ang tiyatandaan natin pagdating sa steady state value ng inductor, okay, ay equal sa short circuit. Okay? Kung ang steady state ng capacitor ay open, ang steady state ng inductor ay shorted. Okay? Short circuit. So, mangyayari, ganito siya. Okay. Okay? Di ba? Ito yung 40 volts. Ito naman yung 2 ohms, 4 ohms. Ito na yung 12 at saka 16. So, class, ganito yan. Every time na ang load naka-parallel dito sa shorted, madadamay yan, masya-short din yan. Okay? So, eventually, mas simplify pa to, magiging ganito, no? So, this one is 2 ohms, 4 ohms, 12 ohms. So, wala na yung 16 ohms. Kasi na-shorted din siya. Okay? Eh, nasa na yung I of T? Siyempre, ito pa rin yun, yung I of T. Okay? I of initial current I. No? Yan pa rin yun, no? Okay? Diyan natin makukuha yung initial current. Kasi nandito yung inductor na gano lang, nag-steady state. Naintindihan ba, class? And this one is still 40 volts. Okay? So, kunin natin yung initial current. Madugo ang initial current minsan. Okay? So, eto, may dalawang mesh, no? Pwede kayong gumamit dito, KBL, KCL, o kaya naman mesh analysis. So, pag nag-mesh analysis ka, so let's say IA, ganun ulit, no? IB, ganun ulit, no? IB. Okay? So, lagay natin yung equation ng IA tsaka IB. Take note, yung IB ko, equal na sa, pag nakuha natin yung IB, yan na yung initial current ko, no? Kasi tinamaan siya and then pareha sila ng direction. Okay? So, yung direction na binigay kasi dito ay pababa. Okay? So, gagahin natin pababa. Okay? So, 40. So, unahin ko dito yung IA, no? Negative 2, lahat niyan, voltage drop, negative, no? Okay? Negative 2 minus 12, that is negative 14 IA. Okay? Tapos, yung I sub B, kapag mesh analysis, di ba, tinitignan niya yung, may mesh current yan eh. Yung B, na nakikita niya, dahil ang inassume ko na current ay clockwise, ang nakikita ko sa kanya positive. So, plus 12 I sub B. Okay? Then, plus, yung drop ay positive. No? Negative positive to, plus 40. Pero, ilalagay ko na siya sa kabilang equation, negative 40. No? Kasi pag nag-input ka sa calculator class, nandito lahat ng variable, then naka-equate, naka-isolate yung constant. Okay? Equation 1, yan, equation 1. Okay? Yung equation 2, okay, unahin ko sa IA ulit. So, ang drop niyan, since paikot siya, plus minus, plus minus. Okay? So, unahin ko yung IA. So, yung IA, yung nakita niya, positive. Yun, no? Positive. Positive 12 IA. Inuna ko lang yung IA kasi sa equation, yung ganyan ang lalagay ko sa calculator. Then, minus na yan. So, minus 16 IB. Equals 0. Wala naman supply, no? Equation 2. So, two equations, two unknowns. Ano susolve nyo? Kukunin ko lang yung I naught, yung IB, that is equal to, so 8 amperes yung IA, pero hindi naman natin kailangan. Pero ito, 6 amperes. Ang nakuha natin sa initial current. Okay? 6 amperes. Okay? Naintindihan ba? So, by mesh analysis, that is 6 amperes. So, initial current is equal to 6 amperes. Okay? So, ang kailangan natin doon, ito lang, no? But then, next yung at t greater than 0, at t greater than 0, switch, switch off. Makancel na, no? Bibitaw na ng supply. So, matitira na lang dyan, ito. Okay? Yan. This is 2 Henry, 16 ohms, 4 ohms, tsaka 12 ohms. Okay? So that, ang R equivalent o RTH is equal to, tingnan nyo class, series tong dalawa, tapos parallel to dito, no? So, ibig sabihin, 16 parallel sa 16. O, di ba? Ano yan? 16 parallel sa 16. So, that is 8 ohms. Okay? 8 ohms. Okay, may R equivalent na. Makukuha na natin yung tau. Yung tau is equals to L over R. So, L is 2 Henry. Di ba? All over R, which is 8 ohms. So, 2 over 8 or 1 over 4 ohms. Ay, sorry, seconds pala yan. Wait. Sorry. Seconds. So, makuha na natin yung current across the inductor is equal to initial current, 6 ampere, okay, times E to the negative T over tau, which is 1 over 4 or 0.25 seconds. Okay, current ampere. Or, kapag binaligtad, 1 over 0.25, that is also equal to 6E to the negative 40 amperes. Okay? Naintindihan ba to, class? Okay, good. Okay. So, mapa-series RL, series RC, source free. So, susundan nyo lang, no? Kinukuha yung initial voltage or initial current at T less than 0 at T greater than 0 yung R equivalent tsaka yung tau. Okay. Once na nakuha na yun, insert nyo na lang dito sa formula. Okay? So, magkakaiba lang talaga ng solution. Kapag halimbawa, paano nakukunin yung initial current, for example, no? Kasi gagamitan mo ng network theorem na nababagay sa kanya, no? Okay? So, next. So, that is next. For the circuit in figure below, find I of t for t greater than 0. Okay? So, hinahanap yung I of t. So, again, pag naghahanap tayo ng I of t, kailangan natin ng initial current, e to the negative t over tau. Ayun. Initial current ulit. Saan natin kukunin? At t less than 0. So, at t less than 0, alam natin na nakasarado pa siya kanina. Ibig sabihin, sinusuplayan pa siya. And habang sinusuplayan siya, hindi na binanggit yung for a long time, pero i-consider natin dito na yung inductor is naka-steady state. Naintindihan, class? Hindi nakalagay for a long time yung switch. Nakuha ba? Pero, i-consider natin yung inductor ay naka-shorted. No? Shorted. No? Excuse me. I-redraw ko na lang, no? Switch is closed. Switch is closed. Okay. Okay. So, kung close yan, close talaga. Close. Op, shorted. So, ibig sabihin, ito yung current na yan. No? Nilagyan niya ang direction pag ganito. Okay. Yan yung initial current niya. No? Okay. This is 8 ohms. This is 4 ohms. This is 24 volts and 3 ohms. Okay. So, kunin natin, ano yung value ng initial current. Okay. O, ganun ulit. No? Pwede ka mag-solve ulit ng KVL, KCL o yung mesh analysis. Okay? So, mesh analysis, that is equal to, parang parehas lang sila ng kulay. Okay? Again, this is IA, this is IB. Okay? So, yung IA, that is equal to negative 3 minus 4. Again, this is plus minus, direction niya negative 7 IA. Tapos nakita ni IB, kasi pag ganon siya, clockwise din, positive yon. Positive yung kay 4, IB. Then, negative, positive. So, plus 24, pero ilalagay natin sa kabila, kaya negative 24. Equation 1. Okay. Dito naman, IB, so, lahat negative, no? Plus, minus. So, negative 12, IB, sorry. Yung IA muna, sorry. So, yung IA, nakita niya, positive yung 4. Positive 4, IA. And then, negative 12, IB. Equals 0, walang supply dyan. So, two equations to knowns. Okay? So, gamitin nyo na lang dito yung mode 5, then mode 5.1. Mode 5.1. Okay? Negative 7 for negative 24. 4, negative 12, 0. So, yung IA, take note yung IB dito, yan din yung equivalent ng initial. No? Yun ang binigay niyang yung direction ng current. No? IB, pare silang direction, no? Ito yan. Yung mesh current IB. So, yun ang kailangan natin. That is equal to yung yung initial current, yan yung I sub B. Okay? That is equal to 1.41. Nakuha ba to, class? Okay. Initial current is 1.41 amperes. Ampere. Okay? Then, of course, at T T greater than 0, switch is open na. No? Switch is open. Okay? So, tanggalin natin to. Ito na siya. So, this is 4 ohms. This is 8 ohms. Okay? And this is 4 Henry. Okay. So, take note yung RTH, tingnan nyo. Series lang. So, 12 ohms lang yan, no? Okay na yan. So, makuha na natin yung tau. Tau is L over R. Ano yan? 4 Henry over 12 ohms. That is in seconds. That is 1 over 3 seconds. Okay? Take note, ang I of t na hinahanap natin ay equal sa initial current, which is 1.41. E to the, tingnan to, negative t over tau. Yung tau, 1 over 3 sa ilalim. So, magiging negative 3t. No? Pares lang. T over 1 over 3 or negative 3t. Naintindihan ba, class? So, again, ganun pa rin ang ginawa natin. No? Nagkataon, no? Ang ginamit natin dito is mesh analysis para makuha yung... Actually, pwede makuha ito ng ibang network theorem. Okay. May tanong ba? So, I think ito yung last problem natin para sa bago mag-break. Okay, next. So, for the circuit in the figure below, determine the voltage. The B sub naught T. Ito, no? Voltage na to when the initial current is 2 ampere and the B of T, ito yun, no? Is equal to 0. So, 0 pala yan, no? Ito naman ang hinahanap. Okay. Solution. Okay. Yung I of T, I of T, yung current ng ano to, ng inductor, okay? I of T. That is initial current. Ayan, no? Meron ng initial current 2. Di ba? Given na eh. Okay? 2 times e to the negative t over tau. Okay. Ito, hindi naman siya pinapahanap talaga, no? So, hindi na natin kailangan kunin yung at t less than 0, no? Okay? So, makuha na agad natin yung R equivalent or yung RTH. Ano yung R equivalent, class? 0 naman to. So, pag sinabi 0, that would be equal to shorted, no? Pag ang voltage supply 0, magiging shorted yan, no? Okay? So 1, ito ay 3. Okay. This is 1 over 4 Henry. Okay? Ano yung equivalent? Edi 4. 4 lang, no? 4 ohms. 1 plus 3 ohms lang, no? Makuha na natin yung tau. Okay? Yung tau is L over R. That is equal to 1 over 4 L over, ano yan? Ang pangit. Ising nga na. Ito. 1 over 4 over 4. Okay? So that is equal to 1 over 8. 1 over 16. Sorry. 1 over 16 seconds. Okay? So that I of t is equal to 2e to the negative 16t amperes. Hindi naman yung pinapakuha. Okay? Take note, class, yung B of t, B of t is equal to, tingnan nyo, class, ha, ang equivalent nito ay yung sum ng voltage drop ng 3 ohms, no? Voltage drop ng 3 ohms tsaka voltage across the inductor, no? No. So voltage drop ng 3 ohms plus voltage drop ng inductor, okay? Or that is equal to yung current times, so by Ohm's law, I times 3. No? I times 3. Plus, yung B sub L, ang voltage ng inductor, again, is L di over dt. So, yan yung B of t. Okay? So, yung I, ilalagay ko lang dito, 3 times 2, that is 6 e to the negative 16t. Plus L, ano yung L? 1 over 4, no? Times, ano yung derivative nito? Derivative ng I. So, lalagay natin yung 2. So, negative 16 e to the negative 16t. Okay? So, ano to? Negative 16 divide 4. Oh, negative 4 times 2, negative 8. So, 6 minus 8, ang B of t ay equal sa negative 2 e to the negative 16t. T over ano yan eh? Di ba? T over 1 over 16 kaya 16. Okay? So, voltage. Naintindihan ba, class?
Yes po.
Okay, good.